It's not uncommon for somebody to hear a word in their head when it's read silently. What is uncommon is to be able to taste a word when it's read. Synesthesia is a condition of combining senses when only one is actually perceived, and as much as 4% of the population has some form of it. Typically, an individual only has one form of synesthesia, but by having one form they are twice as likely to have a second or third type. Those with synesthesia may see the letter Y as pink or N as red, although they are both printed black. It's also possible for words to have a taste associated with them. The word fire can taste like marshmallows, but wood can taste like spoiled milk. And certain word combinations with no connection can form delicious meals in their mouth, and the taste can be indistinguishable from actually biting into a juicy steak. Chromesthesia is when an individual can actually see sound. Music will often look like a fireworks show or a fountain, with each instrument at a different height and each note a different color. It's not uncommon for harmonic notes to be complementary color while discordant notes are clashing colors. Higher tones will be brighter colors, and deeper notes will be more gray or black. Personification gives characteristics to numbers or letters, and a synesthete can form a strong bond with the friendly and funny number 3 while thinking of 7 as vicious and a bully. Synesthetes have unique talents. Those with grapheme color synesthesia are able to pick out a single 2 in a series of 5s as easily as differentiating green from red. Spatial synesthetes tend to have much better memories than a typical person because each event in their life has a physical place in their heads. Calendars may appear in front of them, outlining events done that day like a video diary. Math equations can take shape in an easy-to-solve form, and a disproportionate number of musicians and poets are synesthetes. Synesthesia is not without its drawbacks. Many synesthetes comment that the constant overstimulation is tiring, and the inability to turn off synesthesia can be bothersome. Some have to avoid certain word combinations because combination of ketchup and ice cream every time they say good morning is too much to handle. Numbers can be distrusted, so every time 5 is written down, something about it makes them want to double-check the answer. It's unknown what causes synesthesia, but it's believed to be a result of crossed wiring in the limbic system and cerebral cortex. When chromesthetes are placed in an MRI and listen to music, the vision center of their brain lights up as if they are watching a movie. Synesthesia seems to be hereditary and passed through the X chromosome. It also does not develop if not present at an early age, and once links between words and colors are formed in early childhood, they do not change for a person's entire adult life.